Hey guys, it's Grace. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but today I want to share with you my second Hobonichi for 2020. I'm planning on using this for my sticker purposes. I did love using stickers in my Hobonichi for 2019, but as you guys know, it got super chunky, and I think that's just part of it. Like, it's pretty good, I think. So I had so much fun in this, and I decided to buy two. One would be something that I carry with me in my wallet, which is my Ramune, but this one we'll do a bunch of plan with me's on this one. So this is the Space Invaders collab with Hobonichi. This was an exclusive on a website. It was weird. It was linked in the Hobonichi website, but then it also said you can get it on Amazon Japan, so that's where I got mine. This came in like 4 days literally, and I was very happy. It's just a little bit expensive. It's just a little bit more than the regular like non-mega or the regular weeks, but it's pretty much the same thing. It's just that the cover is a little bit different. So I haven't opened this yet. I was stalking my mail because it was missing for a little while. Oh, this feels a little different. So for the cover, it's a little bit glossy. My original navy one, the gentle navy, felt like a little bit of a fabric texture, and the Ramune's the same. It's not leathery. It's like the glossy cover of a book, like your school textbook, a hardbound one. Yeah, that feels nice. And then you guys could see the Space Invader, the aliens there, and the nebula background. I love the pixelated 2020. There's a spaceship there shooting at them, and then on the side, I don't know if you guys could see that, there's more. It's so stinking cute. That's why I wanted it. And this is what the back looks like. So yeah. And then on the inside, oh, what does that say? Oh, the Hobonichi little like embossed thing is up there. Oh my gosh. So alright, so when you open it, this is what it looks like on the inside. There's a little alien there, and then it says 2020. It's gray more than it's black, and then there's a bunch of them in the bottom. It's super cute. And then when you first open the book, it's pretty much Hobonichi Tacho. So, and then this is like the index page, and then you go straight to December monthly, which will be your first month at a glance. And it is pretty much the same thing as the regular weeks, mega weeks. Your first week in the Hobonichi it's gonna start on the 25th of November, and then the monthly actually ends on March 2021. And then here's, oh my gosh, I never noticed that the string, the little bookmark, is a little bit, it's a little teal color. There you go. That's cute. I'm digging that because I think it's just gray. Where's my other one? I don't even know where my second string is now that we're saying or talking about it. Oh yeah, it's gray. Okay, that's cute. And then when we go to the back, into the notes pages, or the extras, these are the same. You get a little ruler. So for 2020, this is similar all across all of the weeks. This isn't in the first Hobonichi, I don't think, that I had for 2019. Your My 100. Important dates, I believe. Conversions. Your contacts page. And then your personal info, and then you get the serial for your specific Hobonichi, and then we're back in the back page, and it has the same background as the front. How cute. I still don't know what cover I'm going to use for this one, but it also came with a little comic strip, and I did not get a pocket, unless the pocket is somewhere in here. Let's see. You also get this like sticker pack. This is what I used to remember what it looked like, but it's so cute. You know what this matches? I don't think anybody realized this, but it matches my pen gems. Holy crap. And then earlier this year, as you guys know, if you go back a few videos ago, I had a collab with PS Sticker Co. when I released my Nebula kit, and this is the pen that goes with it. And how stinking cute. Oh my god, it was even called Nebula, so this is perfect. I am so excited to set this up. I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Let's open this really quick before I like totally sign off. But I think, let's see how many sticker sheet you get. Oh, it's just one. Alright, that's not so bad. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm sad that I didn't get a pocket, but I have an extra one, so right here from my Ramune, because I'm not using it in my Ramune, so I might just do it on this one. But anyways, that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions regarding the what is this called? The Space Invaders Hobonichi, let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!